too. You let other women make a fool of you. Why don't you do right like those other men do? Get out of here and give me some money too. You're sitting around wondering what it's all about. You ain't got no money, they will put you out. Why don't you do right like those other men do? Get out of here and give me some money too. If you had prepared 20 years ago, you wouldn't be wandering around from door to door. Why don't you do right like those